Hi friends, if your new washing machine is shaking or vibrating or making loud noise while operating it, if that is the case, this is a video for you. In this video, I will show you how to fix it. All new washing machines come with a lock to protect the mechanical parts of the washing machine. Hence, we have to first unlock before operating it. We can find lock in the back side of the washing machine. This is a lock which we need to unlock. We can call it transit or shipping bolt. These are the locks or shipping bolts or transit bolts which I removed from the washing machine. We can remove this bolt using a spanner like this. So let me remove this bolt. We can find four bolts in the back side of the washing machine, maybe more. That bolt we can remove like this. See, it's very easy. Then we can cover that hole with a cap like this. These bolts are designed to keep drum in a fixed position while being transported. We have to remove these bolts before starting the washing machine. Otherwise, suspension inside the washing machine will not work. It would make loud noise, vibrate or shake. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe my channel.